Hello everyone, today I am going to show a full tutorial on the topic mini chair and table. So how to make this small chair and table. So first, to make the table, cut a piece of cardboard by measuring it with a scale. Okay, so cut little square shape and next cut a piece of art paper slightly wider than the cardboard. Okay, so that we can cover it from the back. Okay, so little wider art paper, and then wrap the art paper with the cardboard properly and fixed it with the help of glue. Next, take a stick, measure it, and cut it into four pieces. So, first cut it into half, and from that to half, again divide it into half. So, total four pieces. Now, stack the sticks and fix them with the glue. Okay, so stack the sticks and fix them with the help of glue. After that, take little foaming clay and roll it into round, then press it to it become flattened so that it can cover the stick. So now wrap the foaming clay with the stick properly so that it looks smooth, and attach them and like that follow for the sticks. Okay, for the sticks and attach them that four sticks to the four corner of the cardboard so it can look just like a table. Now for the chair, cut two pieces of cardboard into different shape. One is little square shape and another one is little rectangular, means little long shape. Then cut two pieces of art paper. Those are also little wider than both the cardboard shape. Okay. Next, rub them over the cardboard. So for both the two cardboard, rub them properly. So for that, I take a little wider shape so that it can cover it from the back. Okay, and fix them with the help of glue. We cut to the square shape cardboard from the edges, one edge, okay, and bend it from the back so that we can attach the square shape and the rectangular shape properly. Now fixing both these cardboard with the help of foaming clay. So take little generous amount of clay and wrap it from the back and from the front also. So after covering it or after fixing it properly, then next we have to attach two more art paper so that it look little beautiful. Cover two more pieces of paper and wrap them to give a neat and decent look. Like the table, for chair also we have to make four legs, but for the chair I am not stacking it. I'm just using two stick and make it into four half. Okay, and next cover the stick, front end and the back end with a little foaming clay so to give it a decent chair look and also little more attractive. Fix them with the help of glue at the four corner. Okay, so fix it properly so that it gives the look just like the real chair. Now the final part is coming, that is the coloring part. Okay, so first color the table. So for color the table I am using here the white color, that is the acrylic color I am using here. Okay, So give a proper design, first with the white color, and then give the red color so that it look little beautiful. And for the chair, I am coloring for only for the part that is to the later added the art paper so that it looks little beautiful. And our mini chair and table are ready. If you want, you can make it like just like simple without coloring it, or you can apply different design for it. This is the final look for both the chair and table. If you like the video, then do comment below and let me know how you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching this video and follow for more.